Hello again, Chef John here at the Monogram Design Center in Chicago. I think one of the best things that's going on in restaurants right now is the phenomenon of our burratas, our whipped fetas, all of the cheeses that are really being brought back to life. So I wanted to bring that to your home, but I'm not doing burrata or feta. I'm going to do ricotta, a baked ricotta. Such a simple recipe that brings so much love into the home. We've got some crostinis that we'll dip in afterwards, but for right now, let's get started and whip up our egg. I'm gonna add that egg into the ricotta directly. We've got some Asiago, provolone, Parmesan, you name it, whatever your favorite cheese is, add it in there. Then, the fresh herbs and garlic. And my favorite thing to do is keep this dish fresh. So I separate it in between a couple of dishes, or if you're having a larger party, 3 or 4 dishes. Now that we have our baked ricotta mixture separated into 2 7-ounce cups here, we're gonna take them and place them directly into the speed oven. Once we've done that, the next step is to access the custom speed cook button. Go ahead and add 10 minutes of time. Press the selector in and add 10 to the upper element, 10 to the lower element, microwave power at 1, and convection power at 8. Hit the selector twice more and begin the cooking process. I think this is one of the most impressive things you can do at home to put on a charcuterie platter, a cheese board, or just make for yourself on a Saturday afternoon. Let's take a look at it. Wow. I like to take one of these, careful, they're very hot. Flip it right upside down. You can see it comes out almost like a souffle. We take that baked ricotta right on top of some herbs there with the fresh crostinis. How great does that look?